Hi Fit Fam, welcome back to Tips from Stella Fitness and day 8 of our Fit Body Challenge. Just continue marching in sport with me so that we warm up our bodies as usual, preparing the heart and the muscles for this workout. We are going to be working on strengthening those legs and the ankles in this one. Now if you wear high heels, this one is very important for you because having strong calf muscles and ankle muscles is very important for preventing injury. For people who wear high heels often, just make sure that you are hydrated, you are energized for this workout. So continue marching. Make sure that you keep pulling in your tummy towards the spine throughout all workouts. And we are going to be beginning with the get swing. 30 seconds of the get swing, getting into position. So you'll give me a plie and jump. Plie, jump. Keep going. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, and get up. So you're going to get down into the plie squat and you will begin lifting the calves, bringing them down. Lift and down. Give me 30 seconds of this. And down, lift and down, lift and down, lifting to as high as you can, feeling those leg muscles working, the ankles working. Lift and down. 5 more seconds. Lift and down and lift and down. Just give me one more. Lift and down and get back up. Moving into the next, you want to give me a curtsy lunge and side kick. Lunge and kick, lunge and kick. Giving me 30 seconds of this as well. Kick, kicking to only as far as you can go. Kick and kick. Keep going. Kick, lunge, kick. And one more. Kick. And the other leg. You want to lunge, kick, lunge, kick, lunge, kick. 30 seconds of this as well. Kicking, pulling in your abs towards the spine, making sure that you're keeping the proper form. And kick, lunge, and kick. Just give me 5 more seconds. Kick, lunge, and kick, lunge, and kick. One more. Lunge and kick. And getting into the next exercise, you want to get into position and you want to jump and lunge, jump and lunge, jump, switching directions and pulling in those abs towards the spine. Giving me 30 seconds of this as well. Jump and lunge, jump and lunge. Keep going. Don't slow down. Don't give up. Don't give in. Give me one more. And relax it out, guys. Relax it out. Catch your breath. And we are going to be repeating this round just one more time. If you need, do some stretching or go grab some water or even some celery juice. I am addicted to celery juice lately. It sort of energizes my body. So catch your breath for one more time and we shall be beginning straight away with the get swings. So I want to squat and jump. Keep breathing the abs towards the spine. Just give me some more and one more and get up, guys. Getting into the plie with calf raises. So you want to squat down and you want to begin raising and down, raise and down, keep going, pulling in those abs towards the spine, up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, keep going, up and down, up and down. I can hear my kids in the background. Just give me 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Get back up and moving into that cat's lunge. So you want to lunge and kick, lunge and kick, ooh, lunge and kick, keep going, lunge and kick it out, lunge and kick, lunge and kick, lunge, kick, lunge and kick, lunge and kick, lunge. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, and the other leg. So you want to lunge and kick, lunge and kick, lunge and kick, lunge, kick, pulling in those abs towards the spine, lunge. Keep going. Ooh, don't strip, just get me to more lunge and kick, lunge and kick. Well done. Getting into the last one, guys, and that is the jump lunge. You want to prepare yourself just about now. So you want to lunge and jump. Keep going. Keep going. Don't give up. Don't give in. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done, guys. And we want to stretch it out, doing that final stretch. You've done an amazing job. We are going to do a standing ankle stretch. So you want to bring one leg backwards and bring your hands forward and feeling that stretch in your back leg, in your ankles. If this is challenging for you, no problem. You can actually support yourself on the wall. Otherwise, just keep holding it right there. We are holding it right there for 30 seconds and just keep holding it right there. Keep going, pulling in those abs towards the spine. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the other leg, guys, other leg back, pushing your arms forward and holding it right there. Keep breathing. You've done amazing. How are you feeling? My legs are on fire. I am sweating. Some people are saying that these exercises are actually short, but they really work me out. Keep holding. If you find this a short one, feel free to do more reps of all the exercises and keep stretching it right there for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and get up. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out, taking in all the oxygen. Breathe in and breathe out. Coming to the end of our workout. A high five if you've made it this far. I bet you have stronger calves and ankle muscles right now. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and leave me a comment if you have any questions or something to tell me. Don't forget to share it with your friends and families on social media. Invite them over to come and join us in this challenge so that we all get fit for health. Don't forget to connect up with me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest, because I do share a lot of wellness and useful tips over there too. Plus, it means a lot to me when you get to join my growing family over here, so don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button so that you receive notifications every time I upload a new video. Don't forget to check out my other videos as well. See you in tomorrow's workout, and don't forget to love yourself first and keep fit for health. Bye bye.